Divide 604 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 2. So this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 0 and it is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. On subtracting, we get 0. So we put down the remaining number, this 4, and 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 0. So 604 divided by 4 is 151. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.